Welcome to Ming's Telling Story Time. So the name of the story that I'm gonna recommend to you is Word of Mouth. You can see by the name of the book is called Word of Mouth, and is the main character of the book. His name is Isaiah. So the beginning, it started. They lived in a horrible place, these humans that want to capture his 96 sisters and brothers. And then Isaiah didn't get caught, but the others got caught. Then she didn't know where she was, but she found another family of mice and almost became families with them. The name of the first mice that she found is Michaela. She is a girl. Isaiah loves her voice because she sings so well. Then after that they found a human friend, but her name was Haley. But she was so angry that she found the mice in her crumb cake, and then she almost hit her with a newspaper roll. Then Isaiah knows how to spell, and then she spelled "chill please" 10 times. And then Haley and Isaiah became friends for a long time. Then they searched about the place where the 96 brothers and sisters were. Haley found it. It was called Lalima Lab. That's where they test animals. And then Isaiah and Michaela and the other mice stayed there, but Haley came and gave them peace. Then Isaiah got inside the lab. Then she sneakily seeked the keys from the man. And then the last name was Longcoats. His name was Mr. Longcoats. And then he got the key to open the blue room. And then he saw all of his brothers and sisters. Then there was 2 men that was gonna recommend that they would test the mice. So they chose the first mouse named Ab. That was Isaiah's big brother. And then he really was scared. Then he got free all of the mice, and then the 2 men were too hard to catch them. Then they got out of the blue room. Then Haley called the other mice. Then they came to swarm all the people. And swarm means surround. And then after he swarmed all the people, Haley called the police. Then the police arrested Mr. Longcoat and the other 3 people. And then Haley saved the day with Isaiah. And then all of the mice, the brothers and sisters, were free. And the mice might be friends with the sisters and brothers of Isaiah. So I will tell you questions and you have to answer it. What was the name of the mouse? How many was his sisters and brothers? What was the first mice that was found when he entered a new family? And what happened when Isaiah went to the blue room? That's the end. Bye. See you next time.